What is up, Print Squad? I am back with another video, and today I have a package that just came in. So if you guys want to see what's in the package, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright, squad, today I got, well, actually it's been a couple of days, and this package was actually somehow delivered to my mom's house. I guess because all of the delivery guys know where my mom lives, because I've had them drop packages off there before. But here is the package right here, and it says that it is from Russell Print Shop. I am not 100% sure who Russell Print Shop is, but they're located in Alabama, and I appreciate y'all. If you see this video, comment down below if you sent this to me so that I know who you are. But this is the package right here, so I'm going to go ahead and get into the unboxing. Okay, I don't even need my blade. It says pull this tab right here. Let me see. You know, sometimes I can't do stuff right, so alright, I'm trying to pull the tab like I said. Alright. And this is actually, okay, it's Russell, it's Jersey, it's Fruit of the Loom. So it actually was not worth doing a live stream, because I'm thinking this was something that was sent from a subscriber, but it was not. Y'all see, it's Jersey's Fruit of the Loom. Yeah, they say I requested this. I don't remember requesting this, but it's all good though. Yeah, so now I do have the jerseys and Fruit of the Loom color, what do you call them, color guides for 2019, and also the, you know, a couple of their catalogs. So yeah, this kind of was a trick. I mean, I didn't know this was it. I thought it was actually from one of the subscribers. That's why I did this video, but I appreciate you watching anyway. If you liked the video or found it helpful, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And also subscribe to both of my channels, the red and the green channel, and hit the notification bell on both channels. And if you're interested in any of the products or equipment that I use to print t-shirts, check down below this video in the description box for links. And you can also follow me on Instagram at TshirtChick And if you're not in that Print Squad group on Facebook, what are you waiting for? You can go ahead and join today, and I will see you in the next video. Print Squad out.